Hi everyone, Andrea here with Crafts on the Move in Aquabog, New York. I am really excited. I have the Just Add Cake birthday card making kit from Spellbinders. It is a really pretty covered box. I have not opened it and I can't share it right now, but I do need to open it so I can start making some card samples. So I am doing a pre-recording of the unboxing that I will share with you as soon as I can share this lovely package. And also to get some real life feedback. So I'm going to open up the box. Now I had my one of my shipping boxes from Spellbinders got damaged, and thank goodness only one of these boxes got damaged, and that's the one I'm going to open up. So mine had a little damage in it, but I think it's going to be all right. All right. Oh, you know what? Let's go through the back. So here's a little sneak peek glimpse of what comes in the kit. There's going to be some cardstock, dies. There's some really fun lime zest splatter, which I haven't seen. And you know what? I think we should try it out today. So maybe we'll try that during the live as well. And there's some rub-ons and a few other things. Excuse me, I had to sneeze. All right, here we go with the unboxing. I'm so excited. This, you know what, before I do this, I always get ahead of myself because I get very excited. The box includes 7 die sets, 1 clear stamp set, 1 3D embossing folder, 1 sequin pack, the lime zest splatter effects, 1 cardstock pack, 1 rub-on set, 1 shaker dome pack, and 12 A2 cards and envelopes. A lot of the contents in this kit are exclusive to this box. The rub-ons and the lime zest are definitely exclusive to the box. All right, let's get started. Here we go. So there is a pretty card pamphlet, and I do know Spellbinders plans on having some education and sample workshops for everybody to make cards with their kits. And then, of course, if you buy your kit from Crafts on the Move, there is an exclusive group with a couple other stores. We're doing a collaboration. We are also going to make projects with products from this kit and have them available on that Facebook group. So it benefits you if you buy from one of the 3 stores that are participating, because not only will you get the box, you'll also get our exclusive cards and the ones that Spellbinders is offering, because the Spellbinders one is going to be open for everybody. So our class, the independent store class, is a great added bonus. All right, I was going to cut that, but I like stickers, and let's see if I can do. Nope, I still tore it. Nice packaging. I've never done, I feel like I'm doing a review. All right, awesome. So here is the lime zest splatter effects. It comes in its own little baggie, and then these are the little dome shaker pieces for that. It coordinates with one of the dies. This is a package. It's all together. It looks like all the dies. You also receive a nice mix of some sequins. So there's actually blue, and I'm not sure if these are actually 2 colors or if it's just 1 color, and I think it's 3 color. No, I think it might be the opalescent. It might just be 2 colors. It's hard to tell. It is only 2, but it kind of looks like 3. That's really cool. So it's like a pinky opalescent color and then a blue opalescent. And then you get this looks like a 6x4 stamp set, and it's all birthday related. Really nice sentiments. It says birthday wishes. It says let the day grow wild. Leave nothing but crumbs. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Couple nice just happy birthdays. And then just add cake. Have the best birthday ever. And then there's a few more. So some nice different size sentiments. You also receive a 8.5 by 5.5 pack of Spellbinder color wheel cardstock. Looks like there's 20 pieces in here, and there is a range of colors from the color wheel. They're 100-pound weight cardstock panels. Love it. So in here you will receive Poppy, Blush, Poppy is this red. Blush is like a light pink. Tutu, Dahlia, they're also pinks, and they gradually get darker. Chiffon and Bellini and Sicily. You also get beeswax and saffron. That's 2 yellows. You get 2 greens, the rainforest and fern. Breeze, Malibu, Oceanside, Orchid, Mulberry, Fawn and Truffle. Fawn and Truffle are both brown cardstocks. They're Raven, which is their black, and Classic White. So there's a nice rainbow collection, as you can see here, of color cardstock. It doesn't seem too heavy on one or the other. I will say there's not a lot of teal. So if you're a teal lover, you might want to buy some teal cardstock to coordinate with that. Beautiful rub-ons. This is the rub-on pack. Let's see how many rub-ons are in here. Might just be 1 sheet, might be 2. Let's see. So it's 1 sheet of rub-ons. These are really pretty images. I love this birthday cake and these balloons. And I thought I saw, it's in here. There is there's 2 sheets of rub-ons. They tricked us. I could feel the popsicle stick. That's what made me check. I can't get it out. I can't get it out. Hold. There we go. Excellent. So there's 2 sheets. Oh, look at, hello. Yes, and yummy. And look at this ganache cake with the drip and really fun balloon arch. This is so much different than this one. So you get some really nice images and for different color palettes. Oh, how fun. Ooh, and then this is a 3D embossing folder. It's a lot of confetti. There's like curly Q confetti and then little bits and pieces of confetti. And I have to say, I've never seen one of their 3D embossing folders in a red packaging. So that's interesting. And then you also receive, these are the envelopes, A2 envelopes, and your A2 card panels. And they are landscape, so they're folded on the 5.5. So you can either have them sit this way or landscape. So portrait or landscape. All right, are you ready to look at the dies? Oh my goodness, I can't wait. I just realized wouldn't it be something if I had forgot to hit the record button? But I didn't, I just checked. Here we go into all the fun dies. 7 sets, it says. All right, the first one is To Another Year Worth Toasting, and it's a partial champagne bottle. This one is going to, I'm sure we're going to see a lot of inspiration with this die set and probably this. But the other thing about this one, can be used for retirement. It can be used for any type of celebration, weddings, New Year's, a ton of different celebrations you can use with this. Absolutely adorable. And there's some confetti pieces. So see these curly confetti pieces? These are what is in the embossing folder. So it's a repeat. How nice is that? Oh my goodness. And then there is this adorable monster eating a pizza. Apparently monsters eating pizza seem to be Spellbinders' thing because they did something like that. I think a ghost eating pizza with the Craft-A-Ween. Super cute. I love the packaging. It's a nice size monster. Oh, adorable. And this will coordinate with definitely one of the sentiments I saw on the stamp. And then this one, which is like a stein and a mug. Love it because, as you notice, this almost looks like a masculine hand. You could make this into a orange creamsicle, a root beer float, a Coca-Cola float. Oh my goodness. And then you have the mug and it has HBD for happy birthday. So that is great too. Really nice size dies. Then, I didn't even realize this. These are the dies that coordinate with the stamps. I was wondering if they were going to have that, but I didn't want to say anything because I didn't want to get anybody excited. But yes, indeed. So the stamps have coordinating dies. Oh, that is so exciting. I'm going to I'm a hot mess. I got stuff everywhere here. Then we have this really pretty cupcake. It's a kind of like a build-a-cupcake. So you can put some really fun toppings on top of your icing there. Some blueberries, some floral sprigs, candles, a cute bow, and then you have a pretty decor for your cupcake liner. Super cute. Again, I'm sure you, and there's a cherry too. I'm sure you can find a bunch of other dies from other sets, which I'm sure we're going to see a lot of, to decorate this as well. And these are, so a lot of these are kind of base, because the same thing with the mug, you don't have to do the HBD. You can just have the mug, and then you could probably easily put some of these images from the cupcake, like the blueberries and stuff, on the mug. You could make like a blueberry tea. So you could put blueberries and lemons if you have a lemon die. There's a lemon die in one of the recent, the deli board collection. I can't remember what it is, but the lemons would probably fit nice on that. Then there is, for all you floral lovers, a really fun floral set. Let the Day Grow Wild. This was a stamp set. And see, they paired them with, they paired these images with the coordinating stamp. So these sentiments you see here are in your stamp set. So these are in here. Coffee first, then cake. For me, it would always just be coffee, but that's me. So this is the floral set. Very pretty. You can do a lot with this. This is the piece you can use with that shaker dome. So you can cut this out and put the shaker dome in and have a fun little center. I'm pretty sure that's what this is for this piece. And you do have shaker pieces, so that's fun. And then lastly, a fun set of banner dies. Now, I know a lot of people are not fond of these. I love them. And if you are using a Spellbinder machine, the Platinum machine, it typically does really well at cutting these little pieces out for the sentiment. And then you just cut a solid one. So you just use the shadow. And you can do a two-tone sentiment. So much fun. So that is the birthday box. What is it called? Just Add Cake. I think that's what it's called. In a nutshell. A lot of fun stuff. I cannot wait to see all the inspiration coming. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'm really excited to start using this stuff. And then there are some add-ons. We will have those available as well. Oh, I did want to show you the splatter. So let's just do that real quick because I love splatter. And you know what? We're going to just do it right here in the box. Let's check this green out. I am so excited. There is shimmer on this. So this is a shimmer. Oh my goodness. And Spellbinders did come out with a couple other colors. There's a blueberry and a coral crush, which we do have in stock at this time. I used the Coral Crush yesterday, and I love it. It's like an orangey. Oh, my. Oh, this is going to be so popular. Oh, my goodness. This is so pretty. I could do this on everything. Look at how pretty that is. I totally just used the tissue in my box. And that is the splatter. So much fun. All right, everybody. Don't forget to order your box from either Crafts on the Move, Winneconne Crafts, or Nina B Creates. We are going to have an exclusive, and I can't wait to see what everybody makes. Thanks!